Breaking news, a widespread power outage that tangled traffic and forced teachers to cancel classes, and the weather is the culprit. We're live in Sherwood.
What's rain in the valley is snow up on Mount Hood. Take a live look right now at the conditions there. What you should know if you have a